Every distributed IT team learns the same lesson. The edge is not one place, it's 100 places. And every location starts collecting boxes. A router, a firewall, a mini server. Different gear, different configs, same problems. That is device sprawl, and it quietly burns budget through power, downtime, and constant maintenance. Onyx and Onyx Pro from SNUC fix that. The Onyx series delivers modern IT infrastructure in a compact platform so you can consolidate compute, storage, and networking into one standard system across sites. In manufacturing and logistics, that means local virtualization and analytics without round trips to the cloud that keep production moving in harsh spaces and without racks. In retail and QSR, that means a consistent back-office footprint for store services, camera monitoring, and operational analytics across every location. The Onyx series handles the core workloads with fast NVMe storage, high-capacity memory, and the I/O that teams need to integrate cleanly without extra compute. When networking is the priority, Onyx Pro takes it further with dual 10Gb Ethernet SFP+, and dual 2.5Gb Ethernet for segmentation and high-throughput data. Add PCIe expansion and optional GPU support when you need acceleration for analytics and AI at the edge. For scale computing environments, Onyx and Onyx Pro become a clean foundation for compact clustering and resilience at the edge. Onyx and Onyx Pro. Compact compute, maximum impact. Learn more at snup.com.